What up? So it's now Sunday here. Yeah, Sunday here. The 15th. We have gotten up. We've showered and did everything. We had breakfast brought to us. This is the remnants of it. We had breakfast here overlooking the pool. It was pretty nice. Now we are getting ready to leave and kind of explore Canggu. Hopefully find some like little trinkets or souvenirs to bring back for everybody. Sam wants to get some stuff for her nephews, I think, and then her sister wants earrings, so you gotta find that. I'd kind of like to find a t-shirt and maybe something, one or two things to bring back as well. But yeah, we'll bring you along for the day, but we're 2 minutes from leaving, just waiting on Sam, like always.
I'm ready.
Alright, so we're here at Barack Obama Beach. I'm just kidding, I think it's just called Baraka Beach or something like that. Pretty sick. Surfers out here. Waves are fairly large. Good looking surfing. Nice little wave there. I mean, they're not bad, but they met Daryl Barrels because I'm Connecticut's state champion surfer 3 years running. You know, when the old barrels are firing, nobody's got shit on Daryl Barrel, alright? I'm not smart. I can't read. I ain't never been to school. But Daryl Barrels can fucking rip the waves, bro. Yeah, definitely not, Connecticut, but, you know, when you're on vacation, I guess you just gotta deal with what you got. What we got here is some small-ass waves, but, you know, whatever. Daryl Barrel's out. So a little update here. We've been walking for like 2.5 hours or so. We went to the beach, we checked it out, we saw, it was awesome. Then we started doing like some shopping like we said we were gonna do for some gifts for people. And it's turned into like a huge fiasco. Now we're still trying to accomplish some shopping. The only thing we found was this cool penis for Garrett. If I pull it out of the bag later, I'll show you. But yep, now we're just walking down some back road basically. Seeing if we can find some shops to go to. Another thing that we did is we went to Bali bowls. We each got a bowl. I got an acai bowl. Sam got a different kind, I don't know. Oh, she made her own, that's right. They're both really good. It was cool because we sat on like the upper deck of this place, Bali Bowls, which was really small, but had an upstairs area that overlooked the street, which is really cool. And yeah, we forgot to film there also. Because we were too busy taking pictures with our phones to post to our stories to see which one people thought was better. But now we're still shopping. We're back to a main road here. So the SD card yesterday, it has an error. So we might have lost all our footage from everything, which sucks. But we have another SD card, so we've got a couple days left. We're going to film the rest of this stuff. But update, we just went to La Barista last night with some beach restaurant. Really, really good food. And now we are at a waterfall. And we're going to a couple of them today. We're doing like a little waterfall tour. That's all we have for now, I guess. I don't know what else to say. So we left the first waterfall, now we are on our way to the second one. It was like a 30-minute drive or so, but really cool path. called. They got some weird names, but we're just hanging out. Got a cool little seat. So we're now leaving the third waterfall. This one was pretty cool. Just the same amount of people, but a lot less space. We only walked like 50 feet or 50 yards past the waterfall, the second waterfall at this place that everybody's staying at, and we found a cave. And it looks like, I mean, you were following along, but it looks like we found our own waterfall. It's not as pretty, but it's still cool. So that was pretty cool. We got some cool pictures in there, but we got told we can't be in there. But okay, so next stop we are looking at some traditional village. We paid $5 to get in here. It's supposed to be like a look at this old village, you know, but it's just a basically a tourist trap. We thought we were doing like the least touristy thing. Guess we need to do a little bit more research, but we'll make the best of it. Basically the tour that we chose, it's you get to pick 5 places, any 5 places you want. There's only 3 waterfalls. Well, there's 4 waterfalls, but they're at 3 stops. So we went to all 4 waterfalls. So we had 2 other places, and we decided that we'd use it doing something, you know, cultural, and turned out to be where this thing from.
You're looking inside the house. You probably not use cement for make a building. They use wood. The place more waste from the bedroom. So when people have ceremony like cremation, they use this place. They use a room. Yeah. Kailangan gana, boss niya.
Yeah. So this is the traditional, but nobody lives here anymore.
Still using.
They still
Live, yeah, sleeping here. This place on the night very cold. Yeah, very cool here. So they sleep near the.
This way?
Yeah. No.
No.
Ibu dan udah lahir.
Ya, 65.
65. Benten tahun 40. Nggih.
Mimin dia bapak dia tenepuk ini kan.
Waduh.
Pun 100 lebih.
Okay.
Making the building from 190
This.
zero.
Oh wow.
Zero.
Ya.
She's now grandma, but before the grandma, they have a parent not looking that for the building.
I'm not good at it.
This.
Uh-huh.
Ya.
And we put leaf of banana
Banana
for the
leaves.
couple. You can try it.
This.
No, from the outside. Yeah.
She says you suck.
I know. I wasn't watching.
And now more easy. We use this one
The
now.
stapler.
Modern.
More modern now.
And then what do you put in? Just the flowers?
Yeah, we put in flower around 7 color, 7 until 5
Pamor
color.
tapi bahasa Inggrisnya Pak.
Kapur apa bahasa Inggris itu namanya? Dia banana and
And put
then little bit
Oranges? Is that
cake.
good in there?
Yeah,
Or no?
that's trash.
No, this trash.
Oh,
This
just
trash. It's rubbish.
You put them out every day, every morning?
This one, 1 year.
1 year?
Better. Quality.
So this one is young then.
Young. This one's still young.
So the thicker means the older it is.
Yeah. Done. Genit.
Okay.
Yeah. Inside.
We'll try. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And using for the coconut, you can put on
Banana
the
peel and then
inside the
purple sweet potato.
You wanna try it?
You
A
can open
stapled
it.
shut.
Yeah, you. Sorry.
It's Balinese cake.
You want some?
No.
I'm gonna do the less coconutty one.
Inside have palm sugar inside.
Palm sugar. Cheers.
Sweet.
It's very sweet. It's very good.
Have one. That's yummy.
Yeah, I know that.
It kind of tastes like marshmallows.
Oh, that's
Marshmallow.
Yeah. I was very skeptical.
Get steam one first.
Mm-hmm.
Put the sweet potato.
It's a purple sweet potato, and it's very sweet.
Sticky.
It's sticky.
Coloring for the cake.
There's
Natural color.
natural color.
It's natural color. They didn't change it. And it's sweet potato, but it tastes like marshmallow kind of. Marshmallow with coconut.
They did say there's like some sort of sugar in it.
Something good.
That's very good. I was scared.
We were both very skeptical.
You want to buy again? I can buy for you.
So this is the last stop on our tour. We are at a Balinese temple. And we're wearing dresses. What's up?
We're in Sarong.
We're wearing sarongs, because you have to.
On this, we no problem. We're washing the face, okay, the hair, for cleaning your mind. For the face, for the And then for the mats. Blessing for your...
Holy
Yeah, so she's the leader for the ceremony, for the offering.
She's the leader?
Yeah. It's to be fun.
So we just finished up in the temple. Sam thought it was quite a bit cooler than I did. It was alright. It was neat, I guess, to see, but I'm getting pretty tired. But our driver, he says we can call him Kaka, which is weird, but Kaka said he was really hungry because normally, you know, when he's driving people around, they're like, hey, can we stop for lunch? And we never did that because we're broke as a joke. That's not really why. I mean, that's partly why, but another part is the fact that we're going to La Brisa again tonight. But yeah, we're waiting for him in his car. He said just wait there. He said he's gonna go get something to eat because he's really hungry. So we said okay.
But he turned it on. He put the AC on for us.
Yes, but in serious matters, we really are running out of money. We have 900,000 rupiah left, which is $65, and we have to make that last for obviously just the essentials. So 2 massages, and then we need to get 5 meals and 2 car rides out of 900,000. I think we're going to be pushing it. We tried to withdraw money from the ATM, but we both have the same bank, and the ATM did not work. And we only have 1 debit card on us. Sam has one, I have one, both the exact same bank. Neither will work. There's very few places that allow you to use credit card, which kind of sucks. But like tonight, La Brisa, that we're gonna use a credit card for because they take cards. So we ate there last night. It was like 350,000. So that'd be a third of all of our money, which would suck. So we're just going to put it on a credit card, which is, I mean, it's a $20 dinner, but we just don't have that much money left, which is a good thing because you don't want to go home with a lot because then you got to exchange it back. But it's also a bad thing because now we're a little stressed out. I wish we had a couple 100,000 more. But like I said, we don't, and we're only sticking to the essentials like food and massages. So,
and a couple more souvenirs. Like, if we find some rocks on the ground or something, we can pick those up. But yeah, we'll show you La Brisa when we get there. Alright guys, so this is La Brisa. I was telling you how amazing it was earlier. We had it last night, we came back and got the exact same thing basically we got yesterday, just more this time. All day.
We haven't eaten all day, so we have chicken bao buns, or what they called. Probably one of the top 5 best things I've ever eaten in my life. This is a bread basket. Yes, I said basket. And then obviously we got French fries. So we're about to go to town because we have not eaten all day besides a muffin basically. So catch you later.